Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. This process allows your website visitors to find your Squarespace site using your custom GoDaddy address. We will cover the initial setup steps within Squarespace, followed by the necessary configurations in your GoDaddy account. Finally, we will discuss how to confirm that your domain is successfully connected and ready for use. It's a straightforward process that typically takes only a few minutes to initiate. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and head over to your site settings. From there, you will find the Domains option. Click on Use a domain I own and carefully type in your complete GoDaddy domain name. After entering your domain, select Connect Domain and then choose GoDaddy as your domain provider. This action will prompt you to sign into your GoDaddy account to authorize the connection. Once prompted by Squarespace, sign into your GoDaddy account. The simplest method is to authorize Squarespace to automatically update your domain's DNS records. This typically involves a few clicks to confirm. If automatic connection isn't suitable, you can manually update your name servers to the two Squarespace name servers provided. For advanced manual setup, you'll add a CNAME record for www and 4 specific records, ensuring your domain points correctly to Squarespace. After completing the steps in GoDaddy, return to your Squarespace Domains panel. It's important to understand that domain connections can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, typically between 24 and 48 hours. You'll know the connection is successful when your domain displays a connected label in Squarespace. Finally, open a web browser and type in your domain name to confirm it now correctly directs to your beautiful Squarespace website.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.